Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with an ADHD brain. First, let's set up for success. Find a quiet, dedicated spot free from clutter and visual distractions. This helps your brain focus solely on the task at hand. Next, break down your study material into smaller, more manageable segments. Try using a timer for 25-minute focus blocks, followed by short breaks. Setting clear, achievable goals for each session will also keep you motivated and on track. To boost your focus, engage in active learning. Instead of just reading, try summarizing what you've learned in your own words or even explaining it aloud to an imaginary audience. This deepens understanding. If you find yourself restless, incorporate subtle movement or use a fidget toy. This can help channel excess energy and improve concentration. Remember to vary your study methods too. Switching between reading, writing, and listening keeps your brain stimulated and prevents boredom. Managing distractions is key. Start by eliminating digital interruptions. Turn off phone notifications and close any unnecessary tabs on your computer. These small steps make a big difference. Schedule short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 minutes every half hour, to prevent mental fatigue and allow your brain to reset. During these breaks, step away from your study area. If auditory distractions are an issue, consider using noise-canceling headphones or playing some white noise to create a more focused environment. Finally, consistent review is crucial for solidifying what you've learned. Regularly, revisit past material to reinforce your understanding and improve long-term retention. Don't forget to reward yourself for achieving your study goals, no matter how small. This positive reinforcement helps build good habits and keeps you motivated. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.